Hello, all of you. So in this video, I am going to show you the accessing of the study materials. It is from the website. It is v2k.unnox.com. It is an open and it is free access website here. It is to access the website so that you go into the this web browser and in the address bar you type the address of the website as it is v2k.unnox.com. Okay, and you press the enter key, and on pressing the enter key the website will get open and you can able to see these are the menus and all, and it is the front page of the website here. And to access the study material, okay, so that you go to the courses and you can able to see the different is the different subjects. At present only it is few subjects has been placed. In the coming days, okay, all the subjects concerned to the electronics and communications will get placed here. In the particular subject, if you go to the particular unit, so that if you want means you can access the PowerPoint presentation of the concerned subject of the concerned unit, or you can or you can access the notes, or you can access the multiple choice questions, or you can access the videos. Okay, suppose consider that I want to access the embedded system of the, it is unit 1, its PowerPoint presentation, and on clicking on the PPT, so that it will take you to the new page, and in the new page so that you can able to see the PowerPoint presentations of the, it is unit 1 of the embedded system. It is consisting of the 6 sessions, and you can able to see all the 6 sessions, these PPTs. Suppose consider that and all the 6 sessions, so that you can able to see only the first slide, and if you want to go for the second slide, so that you can able to see the button here, and clicking the button so that it will take you to the next slide here. And in this way the all slides of the particular sessions can be accessed here. And in the same way, suppose consider that I want to access the notes of the particular subject, so that you go to the course, and after that you can choose your subject, and after that you can choose the particular this unit. And suppose consider that I want to access the notes of the unit 2 of the embedded system, and after clicking on this menu, uh, or on this tab, so that it will take you to the notes of the unit 2 of the embedded system, so that you can able to see all the sessions, it is notes. Okay, and suppose consider again in this, so that you can able to see only the front page of the note here. So after okay, suppose consider the session, it is 2, it's after complete reading of the page 1, so that if you want to go for the page 2, so that you can able to see the tab here. So and on clicking the button, it is next page, so that it will take you to the next page here. And in this way it can be able to access all the pages of all the sessions here. Okay, and in the same way, so that you can access the uh, it is multiple choice questions, and also so that you can access the videos and all. So in this way, so that you can able to access the study material, it is from the website is v2k.unox.com here. So it is this website has been designed by me, and it is open and free access to all. And if you found this website is to be the useful, I request you to share this website address among the any of the electronic students. Oh, okay, thank you very much.